The apples are cooking down. The shredded apples are cooking down with the sugar, and this will be for our cookie filling. Chopped walnuts to your cooked apple, which is cooked down a lot, with the cinnamon, and this is the filling for your cookie. 3 sticks of butter and almost a cup of powdered sugar. Now we're cracking 2 eggs into the mixture. A package of the Turkish vanilla. And you know your hands are your best tools. About a cup of yogurt to your cookie batter. And Asuman is blending the cookie dough with her hands. She's now adding flour. She's adding, add 3 cups of flour to your cookie dough.
Yeah, actually we will check.
Necessary, add 4 cups of flour on your cookie batter until it's the right consistency, and add more flour if necessary. Dough. Roll out your cookie dough into a circle. Then take a pizza cutter, cut it into sections. Cut it into 8 sections, and then put a spoonful of your apple filling with cinnamon and walnuts at the edge of each of the sections. So we're adding the apple mixture to all the sections of the dough, and now we're going to start rolling it up. There we go. And we're rolling it towards the center, cookies, and you roll them towards the center. Roll the cookies towards the center, and you make these cute little, almost like they look like croissants in a way. And they're filled with apple. Start from the outside and you roll in 1 little cookie at a time. It's almost sort of like a rugelach, or in a way a little mini croissant. Our apple cookies, they're now ready to go in the oven and be baked. They look like little precious croissants, or sort of like a rugelach. Now we were adding powdered sugar to the cookies for a final touch, and these are our apple cookies that are filled with walnuts, apples, cinnamon, and dusted with powdered sugar.